Hey guys, welcome to my review for the Ausdom-AD170-DashCam. This is my first ever video review, and it's also my first ever dashcam. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a little unboxing video. On the back there you can see some of the specifications. 1280 by 720 is a mistake. It should actually be 1920 by 1080. I have confirmed this. So we're just going to go ahead and take it out of the box. So the packaging is fairly standard. It's branded with the company's branding. Nothing too special. One thing I will mention is I don't like that silver shiny reflective face of the camera. I think it attracts unwanted attention when it's mounted in the vehicle. You can see the light reflecting off the camera very easily. At the back there you've got 6 buttons and an LCD screen. There's nothing on that side apart from the sticker. On the bottom there you've got the micro SD card slot. There you've got the HDMI out and the power button and the reset button. On the top there you've got the mounting bracket and USB charging port, although you can't see it really well. Sorry about that, I didn't realise at the time when I was filming that it would come out so dark. At the back there you can see the LCD screen and 3 buttons on each side of the camera. And then going back to the front face of the camera, you can see the silver reflective face of the camera. I think this is the wrong decision by the manufacturer because it attracts unwanted attention. You don't want this thing standing out in your car being all shiny and blingy, being a potential attraction for thieves. You know, walk past your car who wouldn't normally otherwise notice it if it had been black, because it would just blend in with the rearview mirror. Just going to have a look at the accessories that this camera comes bundled with. You can have a look there now. So you can see there's the cigarette lighter and USB cable. It's pretty long, although I haven't fully unraveled it and seen how far it goes, but I mean, yeah, it looks pretty long, so you'll be able to run it down to the cigarette lighter or to your fuse box if you want to hardwire the camera in, so shouldn't be a problem there. Also in the box is the actual cigarette lighter adapter, which I believe steps the voltage down from 12 volts to 5 volts. It's quite sturdy, well built. Nothing else to really say there. And lastly, there is a suction mount stand for the camera. It mounts using a standard square bracket. The good thing being a suction mount, you can take it from car to car very easy. Let's take a look at the onboard menus on the camera. So just switching on with the power button there, and then we'll just quickly take you through all the menus. So you just press the menu button. If you press it twice, it takes you to the other menu. But yeah, there's the up and down arrow keys to go through all the different options that you can configure, such as enabling things like the G sensor, which I usually find too sensitive, so I switch that off. Resolution of the camera records that, whether you want to keep looping over the video, whether you want to set date and time, what languages you want, and so on. These are all menus within this, and they're very easy to use. Very standard layout, nothing special really to report here. So quite impressive overall. The next thing I think we should take a look at is some of the footage in daylight and nighttime situations really. I think it'd be a good idea to, give you guys an idea of the footage quality. Overall, I must say I'm pretty impressed with the daytime. For the money, I'm impressed with the quality of the daytime. You can easily make out number plates and so on. And even the nighttime recording, it's not brilliant, but it's not bad. For the money, you can't expect too much, and I think it does a good job. My only gripe with the camera is that silver front face, really. That does annoy me. I do like the fact that it powers on and off very quickly. And I do like the way the stand mounts in as well, very easily. Let's go ahead and view some footage. I'll also demonstrate the quality of the onboard mic at some point through the footage, and yeah, very sturdy stand as well. Adjusts for the angle so you can try and avoid reflections and so on. Very impressed with it, to be honest. It's my first dash cam, and I don't think it's particularly bad. I've seen much worse reviews. But anyway, let's go ahead and view some of the samples of the videos that I have recorded using this, and let us know what you think. Thank you very much.